Hi, everyone. My name is Bailey Bates. Welcome to part two of Collect and Swap. We're going into development, so follow along. All right, let's talk about our project overview. The goal for this month was to handle everything after research and planning. So that would be developing our front end, our back end, integrating APIs and databases, creating our UI, and then getting it ready for beta. For this page, I have a view of my original prototype for users to look over. It shows what the original concept of the application was and what it was supposed to look like.
My name is Bailey Bates, and this is my presentation video for my web application Collect and Swap. Right now it is being run locally on my laptop, but it will shortly be up on Heroku after I fix a couple of issues. But for now, I want you guys to follow along as a new user. Users are prompted at the main page to be logged in with Google using Auth0. Awesome. All users start off needing to create a profile with just a bit more information. The main one being their location, so people know where their books are coming from. Awesome. So users start off on their profile page. Their profile page is where users manage their book collections. They can add to them or delete them or trade. And this is also where they handle their trade offers. They can accept, reject, so forth. Here's the history. I'm going to have a hide feature in the future. So let's go ahead and add a book to our collection. If I could type. Great Gatsby. Awesome. Perfect. So it added a new row to our book collection. Added our book. So when you are interested in trading a book, you would go to the user's collection, click on their book. It will bring you to a book details page where it gives you a bit more information on the book, what it's about, description, the author. You can make a trade proposal. And it already has the book that you want in exchange. So let's click the book that you wish to trade. Say The Hunger Games. Say, I really like this book. Awesome. And that would go to the other user's trade proposal, their profile. Awesome. Now we are on the trade page. This is where users can view other people's books that are up for trade. It works very similarly to the profile page. You click on a book, it shows you more information on the book, but these ones right now are not up for trade because I don't have any actual users yet. So this is just information from Google Books API. Over here we have an explore page, which is just they're curated collections of books based on these categories for users to browse through. They work the exact same way, pulling up a description of the book where you can go back. Awesome. Our book club page where users can join or create book clubs depending on what it is that they like. They can view book clubs, see more about them, make posts. Unfortunately, I'm the only member right now. They can create book clubs, book lovers, for all who love books. Awesome. It created a new book club where users can join. We also have our events page where users can go to look at local events near them. Take a look at them. Awesome. Users can search based off description, name, or location. So let's say location events in Florida. Awesome. Let's say you're workshops. Gotta talk to different ones that have workshops in them. Awesome. Let's show the same functionality on this. let's say you're into women literature. Awesome. Or sci-fi. Just a little look at what it can do. We also have the settings page where users can log out, and your experience comes to an end. So thank you so much for following along.
This month was filled with tons of challenges and achievements. They wouldn't be achievements without the challenges. So please take a moment to look over my bullet point of my highlight and my downfalls of this month. This month comes with fair shares of ups and downs, but I am proud of how I pushed through. From back-end challenges to deployment issues, every obstacle helped me grow. I've improved my coding skills, learned to manage my workflow and time management better under pressure, and gained more confidence problem solving in real-world scenarios. It's been a great preparation for stepping into the tech industry, and I feel more ready than ever to start my career. Thank you for following along and learning all about the development phase of Collect and Swap. Look forward to seeing you guys in the next class.